Hey everybody, this is a quick video just to help you out if you have an F83 error on your Miele brand washing machine. So what does this mean and how can we fix it or how can we get rid of it? So this means that in the heater unit that creates the steam, it is sensing that it's too hot. The temperature is too high. So the reason that it could be overheating is that there is a power electronic failure, and that unit will need to be replaced. So the unit that controls the power that goes to the heater is faulty, and it's sending too much juice to the heater, which is causing it to overheat. So the first thing that you want to do though, before you replace anything or before you call a technician to come out and fix this for you, is to just try a hard restart on the machine. So that means turn the machine off and disconnect it from power completely for a full minute. So unplug it from the wall, or if it's hardwired, turn it off at the circuit. Leave it off for a full minute, then plug it in and see if this error maybe doesn't come back. And if it doesn't come back, that's great. It shouldn't come back. You've got it cleared out. Otherwise, you will probably need to call a technician to deal with the power electronic. So anyways, hope this helped you at least understand what the issue is. And thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.